Thinking of ways to make your boring room exciting? Let's convert it into a smart room. With Avishkaar Coder Starter Kit, just code and build and make up to 5 smart gadgets. Make a study lamp that adapts to your needs. Or a mood lamp to help you relax. An arcade game for exciting fun. A smartwatch to keep your fitness goals on track. And a portable TV to kick back and rejuvenate. Possibilities are endless with the programmable maker board. Learn 21st century STEM skills like coding, hands-on skills, electronics, creativity and problem solving that will be required for 80% jobs in the future. Avishkaar Coder Starter Kit. Innovators don't buy gadgets, they build them.